So first, let's talk about our blog linkage. Okay, in this video we're going to talk about two things. First is our new LSA linking feature, and the second is our LSA keyword feature. So first, let's talk about our blog linkage. So right now we are on the Operations Center page, and we are going to head over to linkage. It's right up here in your top menu. Now, historically, this is where you would set up both your blog links and your post links. And if you remember what those are, blog links usually go in the sidebar of your blog under something like the Friends heading, and post links are what actually get posted when your blogs update. And so now with LSA links, you have a completely new way to link your blogs. So first, let's take a look at post links. We'll click on post links, and we'll go to our usual post links page. And this is where we enter our link text. This is what's going to be used as our anchor text, the link URL. This is where the link is going to link to. We can assign it to specific blogs. And we can specify our link weight, which determines how often this particular link is going to show up in your blog posts. The higher the weight, the more often BlogSolution will post it along with your updates. So now, as you can see, we're in version 3 right now, and you can still use both the blog links and the post links feature. But what we've done with the LSA links is really just vastly improve the way you can post links in your updates. So let's go over and check it out. So what we'll do is we'll hit LSA links. And so as you can see, we'll scroll down here. We have two main areas of the page. First, we can assign the link to certain blogs. We can either assign it to a group of blogs, and if you've seen our blog grouping video, you know that one of the new features in version 3 is that you can put different blogs in the same domain into different groups. And if we drop this box down, we can see we have a couple groups here. We have Scott and Group 3. So we can either assign the links that we're about to create to all of our blogs or to just one specific group of blogs. So right now, we'll just choose all blogs. So in the field just below is where we enter the URLs of where we want our links linking to. And so this is really the crux of the LSA linking. What the BlogSolution will do is when I've assigned a link to all of my blogs, and I've entered a URL, say I have blogs about animals, and so I'm going to go with URLs, I'll go with pets.com, dogsandcats.com, and so on. So what the BlogSolution will do is it will now analyze each of these URLs. It will analyze their content and their text. And in doing so, it will determine their basic subject matter and their most emphasized keywords. So now what's going to happen is when BlogSolution updates your network of blogs, and like I said, your network of blogs is about animals. So when it pops an RSS feed update into one of your blogs, and it's, for instance, about parrots. Now it has already analyzed the URLs I've input, and let's actually, just for example's sake, we'll go parrots.com. Oops. So now this means the BlogSolution has gone to parrots.com, checked it out, checked the content, checked the text, and determined what it's about and its most emphasized keywords. Now when one of my blogs updates with a very parrot-related post, BlogSolution is going to put it together that this is a parrot-related post, and we are trying to link to parrots.com. So what it's going to do is it will automatically give your blog a link from that post to this URL. And it will also automatically use parrot-related keywords for your anchor text. So really, what does this mean in the end? It means that you pop a bunch of different URLs into this field, and BlogSolution analyzes them, analyzes every post that goes into your blogs, and whatever posts are extremely relevant to the URLs that you want to link to, it gives you a link automatically to these URLs. And this link is going to be surrounded with relevant text, it's going to use relevant anchor text, and it's going to be pointing to an absolutely relevant domain. And you get all of this from this little amount of work that it's taking to just enter these URLs. Now, one thing to note, the BlogSolution does not analyze the whole domain. So parrots.com, BlogSolution is not going to go into the domain and follow all the links around and analyze every page of the domain. So if you want specific pages in a certain domain to get linked to from your BlogSolution posts, you need to put their URL in here. So if, for instance, you want a couple pages on parrots.com, you go parrot.html, maybe lovebirds.html, like that. So again, BlogSolution will go to each of these pages and give you relevant links to them when it deems your post worthy. So once you have all your URLs in, we'll scroll down, we hit process, hit OK, and it'll pop us back to our LSA links main interface, and now we can see each of the links that we entered. Pets.com, dogsandcats.com, parrots, blah, blah, blah. Now right now they're gray, which means they're inactive. And this is simply because our blogs haven't had an update yet, and these links haven't been posted. So as soon as they get posted, they go active. Now, of course, you can check the link here, you can delete the link, and you can also edit the link. So let's check out edit. And this opens to a page where we can edit our links any way we want. So we can change the URL, we can change the link assignment, where this link is going to show up. And now we have two fields here. One is discovered key phrases, and the other is discovered keywords. And what BlogSolution will do is, after it analyzes this URL right here, it will populate each of these fields with key phrases and keywords. And these are the words and phrases that it's looking for in your blog post to determine whether they're relevant to this URL. And these are also the words and phrases that they'll use for anchor text. So once it populates, you can add and delete words and phrases as you want. Okay, so let's scroll back up here, and we'll head over to our settings page. We'll scroll all the way down, and we will see at the bottom we have two features. We have use internal LSA linkage and LSA precisement. The first is pretty self-explanatory. This turns your LSA links on and off, so you can control them from here. And the second is how precise you want your LSA links to be. And here you have three choices: very precise, precise, and broad match. And really I like to think of it as like a 3-2-1 process. And setting the preciseness here really determines how relevant your links are going to be. Very precise. If you choose very precise here, that means that BlogSolution is going to look for 3 keyword matches. Precise looks for 2 keyword matches, and broad match, it's only looking for 1 keyword matches. So as you might imagine, 3 keyword matches are going to be a lot more relevant than broad match. So that about does it for our LSA links. It's a powerful, powerful feature, and so I highly encourage you to use it. So let's check out our second LSA feature, and that is our keyword tool. So we'll scroll back up. Whoops. We'll go to blogs and hit add blogs. Okay, scroll down, and we can see right here, this is our keyword tool. And so I'm going to go through this pretty quick. The way this works is, when you put a keyword into this field, let's say dog toys, when you hit find, BlogSolution will query a search engine, take that search engine's top results, and using the LSA engine, will analyze those web pages in that search engine's top results for their most emphasized keywords. And it will simply compile them and give them back to you. So then you can look through them, pick the ones you want to create blogs with, and go from there. So really, this is just one more way to discover those low-fruit keywords. And that's it for our LSA features, and stay tuned for more to come. Hey, okay.